One secret breakfast recipe restaurant owners can never share with you. Today, I decided to share with you the secret behind this recipe. To you watching this video, I greet you. You are welcome to my channel. Now let's begin. To achieve this recipe, you only need two simple ingredients, which is sweet potato and your egg. Now I start by peeling the sweet potato and cutting it into smaller chunks. Once I'm done chopping the sweet potato, I will transfer it into a clean plate. Add little salt and mix it so that every piece of the potato will get a touch of salt. Now in a hot oil, I'm going to fry it until it's 80% done. Can you take 2 minutes of your time to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel? After frying, you should get something like this. Now we move to the next step. Get a clean plate and break in your eggs. Cut your vegetables and add into the egg. I will be listing all the ingredients I used in this recipe, so do well to check the description box to know all the ingredients that I used here. So after adding your veggies, mix everything to combine and add in the fried sweet potato. Mix to combine very well. You don't need sugar to make this recipe. Potato is already sweet. After mixing, grease your baking pan and transfer all the mixture into the baking pan. Then place in a preheated oven and bake for 30 minutes. And you just made yourself a very healthy breakfast meal. Will you be trying this recipe at home? Tell us in the comment section. Now, at the rate of 1 to 10, can you give us your rating about this recipe? You can prepare this recipe and take it to your workplace to serve as a lunch to you. Enjoy with your milk or your fruit juice. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all again in my next video. Please remember to like, share and subscribe if you have not done so before you say goodbye.
This is why kitchen a lifestyle. We dey cook and we dey prove am. Don't no moment for this kitchen. Chef vibes activate the lifestyle activate. Pan dey hot oil dey fry. Onions dey dance, aroma dey fly. Add the pepper, let's bust more. Now this kind taste go make you fall. In chai kitchen and lifestyle. Garlic chop chop, ginger slice. Na flavor back, no need dice. Stay slow, let it simmer. Today's menu, na certified winner. Flavor day, sweet like sauce with the red this way.